Good morning. Myself Komati. Now let us see. The topic is median. What is median? How to solve the median problems. First, definition of median. What is median? Median is the mid value of the distribution. It, the value divides into distribution into two alls. Two alls means into two equal parts. It is the middle value of the group of the data arranged in ascending order. In the median is a positional average, so you have to arrange in ascending order. The another name is called the positional average. It is very useful in the case of the open n classes problem. Now see the problems. First, see the formulas. Median means we have the three types of medians. Already we know, but we discussed in the arithmetic mean. Individual series, discrete series, continuous series. Individual series median formula is small size of small n plus 1 by 2 observation. In individual series median, first you have to arrange in ascending order is the most important one. Discrete series median equal to size of n plus 1 by 4 10 by 2 observation. Capital N is the total frequency. And continuous series median formula is L plus n by 2 minus m divided by f into c. So first you have to find the cumulative frequency for the median and then kind of median class. Median class formula is n by 2. That means total frequency, the size of the median class. And L equal to lower limit of the median class, M equal to frequency of the cumulative frequency of the pre-median class, N equal to total frequency, F equal to frequency of the median class, and C equal to length of the class L. That is the formula for the median for individual, discrete, and the continuous series. Median means first you have to arrange ascending order. For the continuous series, you have just find the cumulative frequency. So now let us see the problems in median. So first problem, calculate median for the following data. Calculate median for the following data. So data means given data is first you have to find out is the individual, discrete, continuous. The given data is individual because the only the values 7, 4, 10, 9, 15, 12, 7, 9, 7. So this is the individual series. So median is the most important one is you have to should arrange in the ascending order. You have to should ascending arranging order most important one. On the magnitude. Ascending means small value to higher value. So இந்த சைடில் வந்து நான் உங்களுக்கு ரெஃபரன்ஸ்க்கு கொஸ்டின் போட்டிருக்கேன். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மீடியனுக்கு ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஒன் என்னன்னா இது இண்டிவிஜுவல் சீரிஸ் தெரியும். அசெண்டிங் ஆர்டர்ல அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணும். அசெண்டிங் ஆர்டர் மீன்ஸ் ஸ்மால் நம்பர் டு ஹையஸ்ட் நம்பர். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செக் அவுட். Most important small number is 4 and next small number is 7. So 7 3 times 7 இருக்கு. So 777 and the next least number is 9. So 2 nines is there. Next least number is 10. Next least number is 12. Next least number is 15. So you have to first arrange in the ascending order. Ascending order arrange பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமா solve பண்ணும். Next individual series formula. So arrange பண்ணோம் the number of terms n equal to we know the individual series na number of terms 2 4 6 8 9 9 terms இருக்கு. And then first median of the formula size of small n plus 1 by 2 observation n by only the size most important size தான் அதுல இருந்து வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So n equal to 9. So size of 9 plus 1 observation 9 plus 1 na 10. 10 by 2 na fifth observation. So just we have to find the fifth value of the ascending order. Ascending order and the fifth value கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So fifth values 2, 4, 5. So the median equal to 9. So the median equal to 9. So it's simple. Ascending order arrange for individual series mean just arrange in ascending order. And then for next to find the number of terms and then use the formula median equal to small n plus 1 by observation. So n equal to number of terms. So n value is 9. So 9 plus 1 by observation is fifth observation. the fifth value. So you find the fifth value. இந்த சீரீஸ்ல எது ஃபிஃப்த் வேல்யூல இருக்கோ அதுதான் மீடியன். ஸோ மீடியன் ஈக்குவல் டு 9. ஆல்ரெடி ஐ இன்ஃபார்ம் மீடியன் இஸ் த மிட் வேல்யூ. Next, we send the next problem. Calculate median for the following data. First, you have to each and every I remind you. First, find that is an individual series, discrete series, or continuous series. So first, check out 27, 36, 28, 18, 35, 26, 20, 35, 40, 26. The value is only given. Value motto and this is the individual series. Individual series என்ன பண்ணணும்? First you have to arrange in ascending order. So ascending order arrange பண்ணுங்க. Calculate median for the following. The question இருக்கு for reference. So ascending means small numbers to big numbers. Small numbers to big numbers. Small. So arrange in ascending. The minimum value is 18. Next minimum value is 20. Next minimum value is 26. Again the minimum value is 26. Next minimum value is 27. And next minimum value is 28. Next 35 two times இருக்கு. And then next 36, 40. So first arrange in ascending order. Median most important because median is the positional average. The position வச்சு டிசைட் பண்ணனால first ascending orderல arrange பண்ணணும். And next next you have to find the number of terms. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. N equal to 10. So இப்போ median formula வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா n plus 1 by observation. So இங்க வந்து n equal to 10. So 10 plus 1 by observation. 10 plus 1 by means 11 by 2. So 5.5 observation. 5. So we know very well. ரொம்ப ஈஸியா கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். ஃபிஃப்த் டேர்ம்னா ஃபிஃப்த் டேர்ம் கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். 6னா 6 கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். 4னா 4 கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். இங்க எப்படி 5.5. That means between the 5 and fixed termக்கு middle value கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் அதுதான். So middle value of fifthனா fifth term 27, 28. So 5.5 னா இந்த middle term. Fifth termக்கு sixth term middle term கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். That means the average of fifth and sixth term. For example, 3.5 வந்துச்சுன்னா the average of third and fourth term. So இங்க 5.5 வந்திருக்குன்னா average of fifth and sixth term. So average of fifth and fifth term. So first average நால ரெண்டு term add பண்ணி 2 ஆல divide பண்றோம். Fifth term is 27, sixth term is 28. 27 plus 28 by 2. So ரெண்டுத்தையும் add பண்ணா 54. So divide பண்ணி add பண்ணீங்கன்னா 27.5. 27 plus 28 by 2. 27.5. Therefore median equal to 27.5. So next classல நம்ம மீடியனோட discrete series எப்படி போடுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். Thank you.